Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finish making my diaper cake boat. So I finally got everything in from the store that I had ordered, and we will be putting it together right now. So the first thing I want to do is put the diapers around the box. Now, I believe I said last time that I was not going to actually be using diapers for the diaper cake. I'm actually going to be using pull-ups. I don't really think that's something that people think too much about using or ever giving anybody, but I thought, you know what? That sounds like something nice to do. So, since it's a boy, I got the Woody and Mickey pack, and what I did was I had just taped down the top and I taped the bottom part up a little bit just to make it fit like this, because I will be putting pool noodles around the boat and putting receiving blankets or burp cloths around it to give it a nice pretty edge. So to make it fit better and whatnot, I just did that with the pull-ups, which gives it a nicer look. So what I'm going to actually do is, before I put those on, you need to get yourself a nice big stretchy rubber band. That will help to secure the diapers. And I'm going to place that around the boat to begin with. Just like that, just like around the middle. I mean, you'll be playing with it the entire time while putting the diapers around. So, I don't really know how many diapers I'm using right now. I believe I'm using close to 40 to go around for the pull-ups. I'm just kind of going every other one, making them nicely overlay a little bit. I do want to get that on the curve. Just going to go every other one, and this is really quick and easy, this step. I thought it was nice to have the little bit of Mickey, Woody, Mickey, Woody, Mickey, Woody. Yep, gotta go grab more. Give me 1 second. Grab my next pile. I had to have something heavy hold them down a little bit for the time being, because they started to pop up a little. I didn't want to put too much tape to hold it in case it rips the pull-ups. And everyone knows pull-ups are like gold. So like that one started to pop up a little bit. If need be, you can always add more tape. But we should be good with everything else that's going to go on top. It's okay if some are a little smaller than others, because like I said, we will be putting other decorations on this boat cake. So if it's not they don't have to be symmetrical, they don't have to be the same height. So don't get all worried if one pull-up's a little shorter than the other or one's really tall, because in the end, you'll always be able to, like that one just popped up, you'll always be able to fix it at the end. We're just getting everything on the boat right now, and we'll always be able to fix later and make it look perfect. But when you're just starting to put the things on, you know, you may realize, oh, I'd rather do this, or oh, I'd rather do that. Because I was even debating of rolling the pull-ups this way. I'm putting it on like that and making it look like that, but then I realized my boat was a little too tall, so that really didn't work out. So this is what worked out for me in this boat, and something may work out different for you if you try to make this. Now, the thing I'm a little concerned about is because there are a lot of pull-ups on here, is if the boat or the rubber band, not boat, the rubber band may snap. So what I will do is, like right now, oh, all the pull-ups are falling. What I will be doing to secure it a little more is I will be putting receiving blankets going around this end, and then I'm just going to use some more twine and just secure it a little more, because the last thing you want to do is bring it somewhere and the rubber band snaps. Okay, so there we have it. We have the side of the boat all constructed. Have all the pull-ups going around. Now, what I'm going to do is, I had cut from pool noodles little different lengths that I will be putting around the boat like this, that we will be securing the receiving blankets and burp cloths to. I had to quickly look for those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use a solid color. I'm going to do gray, because that seemed to look the best with everything that's been going on within this piece. The theme of the shower is forest, and I thought that was so cute. You know, you tend to see a lot of trucks and planes, boats, cars, or forest more for like neutral, if you don't know if they're having a boy or girl. But so yes, so we'll start by, I've cut the back piece. I wrote little initials on here so I know where each goes. Put the back piece on. I'm going to put the left piece on. And then I have a right piece. And then I have more so too for the front. That little point in the front. I made mine a little curvy. So what I'm going to do is now, this is actually a receiving blanket. I'm going to open it up a little bit. And what's great about using the pool noodles is because you have the cut. I had cut a slit lengthwise, and it will secure the blanket in. And when I tried doing this earlier to see how I was going to hook it, it seemed to really work well by just doing like this and then tucking under. So quick and easy. I'll do this one on the side. So I'm just grabbing the receiving blanket and I'm just shoving it right underneath there, where the pool noodle has the opening. Right underneath there. Yeah, I'll have to push all those pull-ups up. And I have more pull-ups to the side where if I end up needing to add more to help secure them and keep them in place, I can always do that. Okay, that's good for right now. Okay, and now what I was going to do, what I thought was cute, was change up the texture a little bit and put a burp cloth down. I'm going to do the same thing with this that I just did with the receiving blanket. Oh, caught to the tape. Fix that. The same thing on this end. Try and make it a little even right there. Tuck it under. Just does not want to stay tucked right now. Okay. Okay, now before I do the inside, I'm going to put my side receiving blankets down first. And what we're going to do with this is I'm going to start with the back first. And I kind of triple folded it. I made it into thirds. And I'm going to flip it over like this. Well, I guess it really doesn't matter because I'm going to kind of make it even like that. And I'm going to tuck this part in like this. I'm going to tuck it right in like that. I was getting myself all confused with my angle. So I'm going to tuck this in the rubber band to give it a little extra hold. And this is what I was talking about in the beginning, where I'm going to put twine in this part to give it that little extra sense of security. So in case the rubber band snaps, the twine will be there to help it. And I'm going to leave this up because after we put the twine on, then we'll be able to flip it over and you won't be able to see it. So it's a really cute way of hiding the rubber band and the twine. Okay. Now I'm going to go grab my other piece. Here's the front. Okay, got to get myself situated again. Where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, I think it was this way. You know what? I'm all backwards. Okay, so we're going to kind of make it even again. We're going to put this bit in the rubber band as well. I'm so excited that this print came out so nice. I was a little skeptical of buying it off the computer, but strangely, it's like there's no forest print in the stores. And I really like staying on theme. So I was really excited that I was able to order this, but then it's like, oh, is it going to come out cute? Is it going to be, messed up? One thing that stinks about ordering online. So there we have it. Now I have some twine here. Oh, look at that, my pull-ups are coming down, but fix that after I do the twine. I'm going to get ahead of myself. So I had cut out some twine. You can get this at, craft stores, Dollar Tree. They sell it even in the regular store because this is actually, I had bought this one at, I believe, the Dollar Tree. So you don't have to go to the craft store really and go spend a whole lot of money on it. It's still crafting twine. Can use it for cooking. And what I'm going to do is put it around. Put it around basically where the rubber band is and tie it nice and tight. This is when a second person would come in handy just for this part, but you can always use your own finger. Get that nice and tight right there. So those pull-ups just have that little extra sense of security. Like they're not going anywhere. Okay. For right now, I'm just going to keep this excess in case I need it. I'm just going to roll this around. Tuck it underneath both the rubber band and the other set of twine. Plus the fact you never know if the parents-to-be want to use the twine later for anything. It's a good way to keep it. Okay, now that we have that all tucked under, we can flip the receiving blanket back over. Oh, look how cute that is. Okay, all my pull-ups started to fall. So now we can kind of push those back up. Fix them where it looks like they need to be fixed. You can either do that now or wait till the end, since we still do have more things to put in here, more goodies. Oh, I'm going to get more tape for that one in a little bit, since that tape just does not want to stay on. Okay, retucking my sides. Okay, so what I'm actually doing is I have a woodland blanket. Look how cute that is. So super fun. And I'm going to stick this right here. And I have an elephant that I am going to have fishing. Put a little bib on him. A little binky holder. Thought that was really cute. And I have a stack of about 10 pull-ups that I just quickly rubber band together like this. Took another burp cloth and I'm going to wrap this because this is going to be my elephant seat. Cute little seat. Gonna be to hold the diapers, and I'm gonna actually put this closer to this side because I'm gonna put some goodies over on this side. So we basically, for the most part, have the boat decorated and constructed. So what I'm gonna do is have the elephant sitting right about here, somewhere about here. So you can really just start filling it in right now. Now I do have some bibs and whatnot that I thought would be fun. May put like a bib right here, going on the side, and then maybe do a raccoon on this side. I'm trying to pick out colors that will pop. Kind of draw her eye to that little section. Oh, let's see. And then a little TP. Put the little TP in the back. Give the back a little decoration so it's not all left out. Okay, now I'm just going to go and fill in with the goodies. I got some butt paste, brush holder. Now this part, you're going to end up having to finagle it around because I had got so much stuff that it's, it may not all fit. I may have to put it in a box with clothes or in a separate box. But I don't want to overpower it because I don't want to lose sight of all the extra little fun things that we have. Just a plain towel. Nope, that one has a fox. Oh, I'm picking out all the same colors. Put that there. And even later I may end up changing this around and end up adding some of the clothes that I had got from my cousin in here instead. see, where can I put? Yeah. Let me put that over there. And at this point, I may actually stop adding all of these and put in some, got her some baby wash or clothes detergent, little samples of detergent, some Burt's Bees. Actually, you know what, that would go better back there because it's taller. See, you may have to just play around with it all, try and make it all fit, and what would fit where. And last but not least, we can't forget the fishing pole. Just made it out of a dowel, some of the string again, and connected it to a little toy. Put that in right here. And you can either leave this dangling. I'm not going to leave it dangling right now because shower's in a couple days, but I'll just tuck it in here for right now. And there you have it. This is a quick way to decorate a boat and fill it. Took a little bit to do. And, you know, you can fill this with anything. You can fill it with clothes, diapers. You can even just rewrap diapers and put it in there. Fill it with all maybe bottles and all bottle accessories. But that was nice, quick and easy. I'm sure I'll play around with this up until the day and make it look exactly how I want to. But that's a quick and easy way of how to make a diaper cake boat. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.